So I've got a little bit of spare time, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you some tips and tricks of how we can reverse a road train. Some people really good at it, other people say it's impossible, but the fact of the matter is it is possible to do, but like all things, it just takes a little bit of practice. So anyway, I'll show you a few tips and tricks of how we can reverse one, and hopefully makes it a little bit easier next time you try. Now I've tried my best to get this in the picture, so hopefully we can see. The best thing you can do if you ever want to reverse a road train is set yourself up. That is the majority of the work. If you can set yourself up, get yourself straight, you're going to be set up for success when it comes to backing up. So I've got the drone in the sky. I'm going to show you just what it looks like if you just flick it in reverse. I've got myself dead straight, the trailers are straight, dolly straight, everything straight, and I'll just let it back up and I'll barely touch the steering and we'll see how far we go. Bear in mind I'm on a downhill, so that might affect it a little bit, but we'll see. So here we go. Rough on the takeoff, but yeah, we're backing up. Haven't touched the steering yet. It's starting to go a little bit. So all I've got to do is just gently adjust. Keep an eye on where the dolly is. The dolly's starting to kick out that way a little bit. I'll just chase the dolly a little bit. The dolly's starting to come back, so I can chase it the other way. Just a couple of fingers. Might be losing it a little bit, but we're still in control. Still able to get that all the way back. Now let me show you something else. How much just one little input affects how far the trailers go. So I'm just going to do a quarter of a turn down, and then we'll see on the drone footage how quickly that puts the trailers out. So here we go. Just we're dead straight again, we're backing up. It's a quarter turn. Let's see. Trailer's starting to go. Everything's starting to go. That's it. We're already out of luck. There's nothing we can do once you're at that point. So it doesn't take much of an input to really put the trailers out of line. Look, basically, if you can set yourself up that you're in a straight line, including from your truck, with your trailer, with your dolly, with your rear trailer, you can pretty much go in a straight line for a fair while. The ground plays a part, as we say, uneven ground, bumps, that can put you off line a little bit. But if you've set yourself up in a straight line, most of the work's already done for you. All you need to do is small little inputs, and then you're going to be able to go back in that straight line. Now, there is people that can back them around corners and whatnot. I'm not one of those. But if you want to learn to back one and just be able to do it in a straight line, that's all it takes. Just get yourself lined up, take your time, and voila, you'll be able to go back and get yourself out of trouble at least. And really, if you're driving a truck, that's all you need to be able to do for the most part when you're driving a road train, whether that's 2 trailers, 3 trailers, 4 trailers, whatever. As long as you can back up enough to get yourself out of trouble, that's the main thing. So, as I say, I'm not an expert on reversing road trains.
I can do it enough to get myself out of trouble. But hopefully these little tips and tricks have been something you found helpful. If you've got any thoughts, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.